Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ryan.
I'm Darius.
And we are the PGH Poke Bros. On today's video, we're opening up a Paldea Evolved booster box. Let's jump into it right now. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Everyone's staying warm out there, dealing with this cold weather. Opening some packs inside. Hope you're having some luck.
For sure.
And
some shiny luck.
Some shiny luck too. Yeah, community day. There was Rowlet. Hopefully you were all able to catch some shinies. Hopefully in this box we can pull an Iono or a Magikarp. Still looking for those cards, so let's see what we got. Hope everyone's having a good first week of the new year. What we got? Shinx and Mimikyu. Dogs are already lingering around looking for some cards. Hopefully, I know the last few videos I did, they were just going crazy. Didn't even care. Causing a ruckus. Cerudo, Wingo. Okay, first hit.
Nice.
Get yourself some free Pokemon. Alright, there you go. I'll give you some cards. Where's Phoebe at? Where's she at? Oh, alright. Back to it. How many packs is that? 2. Open up 4 more. I'm gonna Darius jump in to some packs. Can't believe the weekend's already over. Time is just flying by. Making the best of it. Some Magikarp. Hopefully we can see a illustration rare Magikarp. Man, nothing so far. Except that copper jar. Alright. A couple more left going into them. Try and not slow down. I know I usually do that halfway through. So if we're able to just keep it up. Keep up the speed. Definitely been doing some reels. Missed one throughout the week, but have been putting them up. So go check those out. Get the code cards from those as well. Wednesday opened up a mystery box. Didn't pull anything from that, so I'll grab the one extra one. I think, man, just nothing in these first few packs. There's a code card, dogs over. Oh man. Of course, Phoebe has a CD case. Giving them cards. She grabs the CD case. Phoebe, get out of there. Oh my goodness. She's over on the shelf going through everything, so just distracting us every half year. Is that right to it? Right to it. Larvitar. Boom, there we go.
Nice.
Miss Magius. First hit. First illustration rare. Boom, into a fortress. So there we go. Very nice. I will let Darius jump in now, open up some packs. Hopefully he has better luck than I do. Keep an eye on Phoebe since she's up to no good over here.
She grabbed me a CD.
Oh my goodness. She's mad because Bogart had a card and he walked through and heard and he took it.
6er?
Yeah, 6. I don't know if I opened up 5 or 6. I think I opened up 6. Plus 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, makes sense. We'll see at the very end. Somehow we already seem to mess it up, so it don't matter.
It'll be all good.
All right, just having fun, my bro. Open up some packs. So
For sure.
That's what it's all about.
Okay, Tyranitar.
course, it's always fun getting some decent hits. Getting some special illustration rares. Looking for that Iono. It's bound to happen. Where we at? Come on, let's go, let's go, let's see it. Let's see it.
Tar Flamingo. Carfont. Into Excadrill.
Phoebe, oh my goodness.
Wow.
Yeah,
Dogs are going wild right now during this opening.
getting into every and anything they can. You ready to get that dog cam and see all this nonsense?
For sure.
I did put a picture up on Instagram of the mess after one video that Bogart made. Come on, everybody, let's see a special illustration there.
Okay. Come on.
Come on, it's gonna happen, bro. It's gonna happen. We're gonna pull a special illustration rare, Iono, and that Magic Carp illustration rare.
Hit count. What you thinking?
Already got 2 basically. I'm gonna say 7.
I'm going 8 because that's my favorite number.
So I went 7.
How many illustrations?
Hopefully 2.
2? Okay, I'll go with you. I'll go 3. I'll go 1 up again. I'll go 1 up again. Okay, slacking. Pokemons.
Getting ready for the dogs that dig it.
Oop, wrong side.
Alright, come on, let's see it. Special illustration, Iono. It's funny, I was telling Darius how when this set first got released, I wasn't too excited about it, and I'm like, man, I'm not going to really be opening up much Scarlet and Violet. But then I really do like these sets, so here we are. We've been opening up a bunch of it. Got some decent pull rates, some decent hits, so for the price of these booster boxes, you can't go wrong. So keep buying them until something else comes out.
Dolbat. Sprigatito, Quack Sling. Okay.
Come on.
Hip hop. Oh,
Oh,
Grosha.
man.
Okay.
What's that? Is that?
Okay, it's an ultra rare.
Alright.
But it's a start. It's a start. I'll take it. It's a hit.
Sure, brother.
It's ultra rare.
What color are those stars?
They're silver. It's ultra rare.
Yeah. Man.
Okay, that's my last one. Ryan's hopping back in on this.
That was your last pack?
Yep.
Oh, man. Alright. Jump into the next 6. See if I can count them right. 6. That's what we got here.
I was just pulling from anywhere, bro.
Were you?
Yeah.
That's all good. I'm not even worried about it.
I didn't know we were doing side by side. It's my fault.
No, it's I'm not even worried about it, bro.
Pulled 3 from each side.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. See where the hits come from. Boom, there we go. I'll take it. Getting some hits now.
There you go. There's one.
A full art.
Special illustration.
I will take it. Very nice. Getting hits now. Getting some hits. There goes Magikarp. Bring some luck. That we There we go. Oh, man. Moving this energy into it. Tinkaton. Alright, breezing right through these packs. Hopefully we can pull at least one special illustration rare. Dunsparce into Arctibax into a boss's orders. 3 more packs left, already 10.5 minutes in. Rolling right through. Rockruff has a big event going on with him. He has a new form that got released in Pokemon Go.
Nice.
Gotta hatch it from eggs and things like that. Probably raids. Eggs and raids. Still searching for that big hit. Always chasing that big hit. Only takes 1 pack. Alright, Dunsparce. Come on, Mankey. What we got? What we got? Oh, man. Boom, there we go. Okay, an EX. I have 1 more pack left, and Darius will jump in next. Rolling right through. Very nice. Darius just leveled up on Pokemon Go. Bought him a ticket for the incubator event, so. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Friggerbacks. Boom. Into a basic energy. It's like a $2 card. It's all good. It's a hit. I'll take it. Probably a hyper rare. Yep. Let Darius jump in, see what he can pull now.
Paldea and Wooper. Okay, Magikarp. Hydranodon.
No, we gotta, well, I guess that's not special illustration rare, so it doesn't even count.
What do you mean?
That hyper rare.
It's a hyper rares.
We said how many special illustration rares.
Yeah, we said 3, yeah, so.
You know what I'm saying? We gonna count that as one?
I don't know, leave it to the comments.
We said special illustration, we should say next time special illustration or hyper rare.
Understood. Yeah, sounds good.
We weren't even thinking about that, you know. I was expecting to pull 2 special illustration rares, so.
Okay.
Come on, let's see it. We're slowing down. I don't like this. Let's see some hits. Let's see some hits. Next Sunday, don't know what we're opening. Do have 1 Scarlet and Violet 151 UPC, so that'll probably be a part of it. Probably just gather up a few things around. Trying to save a couple bucks. Probably gonna buy that Giratina, the gold Giratina from Crown Zenith. If we can't pull it, we're gonna buy it. So maybe, I don't know, we'll see what's up. I'll probably buy something else before Sunday, but we'll see what's up. Gotta stop back, check it out, and see what we got.
Paxley into Congress. Okay.
It's a slow down for sure. Come on, let's see it. Let's see it. Here it goes right here. Here goes the magic card, bro.
Magikarp?
Here goes the magic card.
How much card? Come
on. Let's see something. Oh, man.
Squawkabilly.
I mean, basically, those are decent hits, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Those aren't even guaranteed.
Fletching, Voltorb, Talonflame, Heracross, Pilrow, Misdreavus, Sprigatito. Okay. Back to Ryan.
Alright, let's see. Coming down to the last few packs. Set this aside. Right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We left with, yep, 6. So did good today, counted correctly. So I was right. Did grab an extra pack. Alright, let's see. Coming down to the last 12 packs of the video. Thank you all for sticking with us. Alright, what do we got here? Boom, ooh. There we go. A special illustration rare Ting Lu. I will take it.
2.
There we go. Getting some hits, so very nice. At least we got one. At least the hyper rare as well, so not too bad so far. 6 hits. Well, 5.5 hits. Yeah, thank you all for stopping by, checking out this video, hanging out with us, seeing what we pull, keeping this channel going. We were up to 247 subscribers and keep losing them, so we're down to 246, but you know what? That's fine. We appreciate you all that stick with us and watch these videos. We appreciate you all. We thank you all for watching these videos. Like I said, be sure to head over to Instagram, PGH Pokebros. Do put up code cards as well as other content. Like I said, put up a picture of the dog's mess. Come on, Iono. Where are you at? Noibat. Sandygast. To a low kicks. Alright, man. 3 left. Final 9. Let's see. Let's see one more. Special illustration there. Like I said, at least that magic card. Haven't pulled any other illustration rares other than that Miss Magius. Oh man. Tyranitar. Come on, let's go.
Got this pack right here.
Hey, at least did pull one special illustration rare. I don't think I even pulled a special illustration rare in the last video. Opening up a Paldea Evolved booster box, so. Oh man. Alright. Down to my last pack of the night. Thank you all for hanging out with me. And just close out the video. Alright. Only takes one pack. Always chasing that big hit. So Viper, oh man. It's not going to be in these ones. So Darius is up. We'll finish out the video. Last 6 packs. Let's go. Let's see something. At least one more special illustration rare. I don't know what that Ting Lu's going for.
Put on the egg like you said.
I think I like it. Did you catch anything?
Mm-hmm.
How much experience did you get?
It was on my second day, so it was only like 200, 300, 3,000, something like that.
So decent.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's see it.
We need some lucky eggs for opening cards.
Right though. Something to bring some luck, I know. Find something. Gotta switch all those figures out. You're not doing it right now. No, I can't see that. They're doing it. They're doing it. Get it done. I mean, like I said, pulling that Roaring Moon. Pulling that Hidden Flame Charizard, so decent cards have been pulled.
Yes. And many more to come as well.
Heck yeah. The more packs you open, the better chances you have. It's just like the lottery.
Whoa, Frigabacks. Illustration rare. Okay.
Double banger. All right, let's go. Let's go. Keep them coming, bro. That's what I was thinking last video because you weren't here with me to do it. I'm like, dang, you have all the luck.
No, it's all good.
Always pulling the heat, so.
Okay. John Snover. That one. Frig and 2 of Lizilla. Okay.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
Last 2 packs.
I hope everyone's having a good year so far. First weekend. I think everyone's been doing well. Good things have been happening. We're going to get better from here.
Oh, for sure.
Getting ready for some Paldea and Fates. Alright, the last pack of the night. Thank you all for sticking with us, hanging out, listening to us ramble on.
We appreciate all of you.
Yeah, baby, appreciate all the love and support. Never thought we'd be so close to 250 when we started this channel. We do appreciate it.
Okay. Fletching into Praxis Studio. Okay. What's it going to be?
I don't know.
It's Poet.
Poet.
Luxray.
Alright, well that's it. I'll let Darius give away 2 extra code cards. Let's see what he got. Just pull some random ones.
Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars.
What product that is, I don't know.
And Scarlet and Violet Elite Trainer Box.
Alright, there you go. Thank you all for hanging out with us, watching this video. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you have an even better week. Be sure to stop back on Wednesday, random Pokemon product. Don't have a clue what that'll be, so be sure to stop by to find that out. Doing daily reels on this channel. Head over to Instagram, PGH Pokebros. I'm Ryan.
I'm Darius.
We hope you have a great week, and we'll see you on Wednesday.